Hello, S. So I got a question, which is like uh, this that I have completed my graduation in BTech 2022, and I learned Python and SQL courses, but I didn't get a job. 6 months of time will be wasted. What can I do now? Okay, so this is a very generic question, and this happens to a lot of freshers when they start their career and they're trying to search for a job. They're doing some courses. They're like trying to find some contact who can refer them in some companies. So, but the point here is there's something which is missing in this question. Okay, which I want to highlight here. Okay, and this happens with 90% of the fresher who just passed out. Okay, and what is the issue? So now the thing is that if somebody thinks that if he or she is doing a course which is of whatever duration, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, whatever, and by doing a course, if it doesn't work out, that time will be wasted, effort will be wasted, whatever money you put from your parents from wherever it is will be wasted. It's not right thing to say or think. Okay, that is my perspective, and from my experience, definitely I can suggest you that is not the right way to think. First of all, can I say, do every BTech holder get a campus placement? No. Do every BTech or BE person get a job in some private companies? No. There are a lot of people, majority of people who are not getting job even after completing their BTech or BE. Okay, so can I say then that the entire 4 year is wasted? Okay, why are you not blaming that 4 years? Why are you blaming just the 6 months course which you have done some courses, whatever courses, it doesn't matter. Okay, because you don't have the right information. That is the problem. You don't have you don't know what industry wants from you. और यही प्रॉब्लम है पूरे इंडिया में दैट हमें पता ही नहीं है कि हमें करना क्या है डायरेक्शन पता ही नहीं है एंड वी आर जस्ट like on ad hoc basis somebody is running here, somebody is running there, somebody is listening to this person, somebody is listening to that person, but we don't have a concrete path which will lead you to a job. Okay, because sometimes we don't know what to do. That is genuinely true. Sometimes we know but we don't do because we don't have that energy level or whatever, you're not willing to put efforts, hard work, and sometimes we don't want to see the truth. Okay, sometimes you're not good enough in something, but you want that thing at any cost. You want shortcuts. You want somebody can find some kind of trick to give you a job. So everybody has their own story. Okay, but the two important points is that make these two things separate. One is your BTech or BE or whatever courses, MCA you have done or BCA you have done, whatever you have done. Okay, you put your parents and have put a lot of money in that. Normally, a BTech will cost minimum 5 lakhs to maximum 15-20 lakhs in India, depending on the college, whether you study in Pune or Nagpur or in Bangalore. It depends, and the cost will vary. But minimum, it is going around. I will say minimum for 4 years, it will go 5 lakhs and more than that. Okay. So it's a costly course which you do. It is professional course. So if you do from good college, you get placed. If you do not good do from so much good college with nice campus placement, then you will have a struggle. You are trying to find some way to get into that thing, and maybe you will make it through. It's not like that you can't make it through. You will make it through. Then people make it big after that also. Okay, but this is wrong to blame a course. If 6 months matters, then there's no point of doing BTech. Why don't you do a BSc? and save your father's money or your mother's money. Okay, why you're going for a BTech? The entire point of going for a BTech is that if you got a good degree, it's that degree also matters. But if somebody is doing a BTech in civil or in mechanical, and then he is searching for a job in IT, and then they're saying, okay, 6 months time is wasted or 9 months, that is illogical. Because your BTech is a different thing, you're finding a job is a different thing, it will take time to grasp those IT concepts. It will take some time. Okay. So, okay, let's suppose you have done BTech in CS or IT also. Okay, but many times you're not very good in programming, you're not very good in computer science concept. Then it's childish to expect this thing that अच्छा मैं कहीं से कोई कोर्स कर लेता हूँ और फटाक से मुझे जॉब लग जाए. It's very childish, and that is the reason precisely those institutes are taking advantage of you. You want to listen कि सर मुझे कैसे भी कंपनी से कॉल्स मिलना चाहिए. You're not getting calls from the company, and they are just taking that advantage and they are enrolling you in a course. Okay, and hardly anybody get placed from those institutes. Okay, except some exceptions are there. Otherwise, 90% will never get a job from any institute. You name anyone, tell me. So that is the reality. Okay, so make this two distinction between your degree and a course. Course is different, degree is different, and your degree is very important. That matters. Course also matters, but these two are different. Okay, if you are any graduate, let's suppose you are a BSc graduate or become graduate, okay, or any graduate, even a BA person can learn Python. It's not what is the issue in that. Programming anybody can learn if they have logical skills, if they have mathematical skills, anybody can learn programming. Okay, that is nowadays this programming is part in a school class 9%, 9th or 10% can student can also do programming in Java and Python. In any language, it doesn't matter language. So it's not a big thing. You think it's a big thing, it's not a big thing, first of all. SQL is also easy. You are trying to learn easy thing and then you are trying to get a job. See, competition is hard. In India, it's hard to get a job. There are so many people out there. Everybody's trying to get a job. So how can you expect a easy way? मैंने उसी दिन एक वीडियो बनाया है कि it's easy to find the job hard way and it's hard to find the job easy way. अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो? आपको इजी तरीका चाहिए. यू आर फाइंडिंग इजी. यू बस वांट टू फाइंड इजी वे. अब मैं बेसिक पढ़ लूंगा पाइथन, बेसिक एसक्यूएल कर लिया, मुझे जॉब मिलना चाहिए. It's so easy. Then what is the use of your BTech degree? Then answer me. Then there's no use. You can even a school dropout or school just 10 pass out can also learn Python and school. They can also get a job. What is the point of having a BTech? So it's not like that. You have to like have a clear idea that what you want to do. If you want to get a job, do something which is advanced, which after doing you will stand uh, different from the crowd, and then your chances will increase. I'll give you an example. If you have told in this question, somebody has told, sir, I have learned Flask, Django, I have learned Angular in the front end, okay, and I've run some databases and I've done some projects. Then I will say, okay, your chances more. It's not like like you must you will definitely get a job, but definitely if you do some projects, if you have learned front end, back end, you've done some full stack development, a proper development, you've done some mini projects, you've devoted a lot of time. Okay, 6 months, 8 months, 9, even 1 year, and you've continued to make that thing and master that thing, then definitely it's possible. But doing a basic Python course, a basic SQL course, and then thinking to get a job, and everybody's learning Python nowadays. Everybody's learning SQL now. Everybody wants to become a data analyst. I don't want to go in that discussion, but that is the reality. So if you're trying to be like the same person, company will look and the crowd say all the person looks like the same. Reject. Everybody's rejected. And the person who look different, who have different skills, that will stand out, and the company will definitely then give them a chance. So stand out, please. If you really want to get a job, to stand out. Okay, and don't. There's no easy way. Okay, there's no easy way. Okay, कोई आपको मतलब nobody can save you unless you want to save yourself. ठीक है, और किसी के भरोसे नहीं रहना है, अपना लाइफ अपने हाथ में लेना है, और हमें we have to develop our life through struggles, through hard work. It takes lot of it takes years to uh, find a good job, not months. You don't expect something in months, and that is the problem I'm trying to say. You We are like freshers at this want to result in months, and 3 month course के job मिल गया, 6 month course के job मिल गया. No, it's not like that. It takes time. It takes time. It's And you have to choose the right technology which is in demand. People are not learning those things. Okay. If you choose, there are so many Just open Naukri.com, search front end development, back end development, full stack development. Just search what are the companies what they are looking for. वो सब सीखो. Make some good projects. Okay. Don't look for easy thing. Okay. And I will not take much time because already, sorry, this video went a little bit uh, longer. Okay. But the point is very simple. Your degree is important. Don't devalue it. You're demeaning your value. That okay, I've done a 3 months course, 6 months course. I'm not. My time is wasted. Then you're devaluing your BTech degree or your BE degree, whatever degree, BMCA degree, or whatever your good degree you've done. So you're devaluing it. It's not like that. See, a BTech degree or any professional degree has a value. Company will definitely prefer a BTech or BE over a BSc guy. Why? For a reason. There's a reason for that. So don't devalue yourself, but at the same time, don't think that okay, uh, uh, some course is like a the a course is like a solution for everything. It's not like that. If again I'm repeating myself, but if that is was the truth, then there is no point of doing BTech. Why don't you do a simple BSc, do a 3 months course and get a job? What is the point of doing a BTech? Okay, so I stop now, and I think you will get the idea what I'm trying to say here. Okay, I know I don't want to be hard on anybody, but truth is most of the time hard. It is difficult to digest. Okay, for freshers, I will have one advice. Life is tough. Once you pass out and you're searching job outside, life is tough. Life become tougher and tougher. So you have to also become tougher to fight the world which is not so kind to you. आपके पेरेंट्स थे जब तक आप पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, उसके बाद आपके पेरेंट्स नहीं है अभी. Okay, you have to fight. Even you when you get a job, then also you have to fight. Fight doesn't stop, it just starts. Because you have to stand on your own. Not every time your parents and somebody will come and help you. Okay, when you struggle, your parents paid the fees. When you struggle, your parents paid extra fees for your tuitions. But that will not happen now. You have grown up, and if you want a result, so you have to take the charge and say, yes, sir, man, I will do, and I will get a job at any cost. Okay, whatever job. If you don't get, that is might be some reason uh, for which you don't get a job, but it is very simple. If you learn on skills and focus in that thing for a longer period of time, you're bound to get a job. Okay, अगर आप front end development सीखते हो, you learn it for 1 year. You completely learn front end development for 1 year. You learn many things. You try to make different products. You go deep in that. Don't learn everything कि मुझे ये भी आता है, मुझे वो भी आता है, but freshers को फिर कंपनी ट्रेन नहीं करते because उसको बहुत basics आता है. So basics will not help you. You have to learn the advanced part, complex part, which will make you industry ready. Okay, so don't do that thing. It is simple. Learn one thing properly. If you learn front-end development, UI development, master it. If you want to learn UI, you're not interested in programming, just want to learn UI design, very good. HTML, CSS is very good. There are a lot of options. I've already made a lot of videos on those things. Okay. If you want to become a full stack developer, it's good, not an issue. But you don't know what is a full stack developer, first of all. It's not React, it's not Angular. That is a more advanced thing. Before learning Angular and React, you have to learn MVC. What is MVC? First learn that thing. If you learn MVC, then only you can become full stack developer. Otherwise, not. Okay, because if you directly go for APIs and React and Angular and all those things, it will be very difficult for you to grasp the concept at the first instance. So we do go step by step. The problem is that you go to an institute, say सर मुझे फुल स्टैक कोर्स करना है, वो बोलेगा हाँ सर फ्रंट एंड सीख लो, एंगुलर, बैक एंड सीख लो, आपका कोई भी जावा डॉट नेट एपीआई सीख लो, बट दैट इज नॉट द राइट वे. And that is what I am making the videos for your awareness, because nobody is telling you the right thing to do. Everybody is selling the courses, or they are not educating you that this is the right way to do. So first, if you want to learn full stack development, learn MVC. MVC framework is present in every language, whether it is Python, Java, .NET, any language. That is a common framework. Even in your Python also there is a framework, Flask, Django. All is based on mostly MVC framework. So if you learn that framework, most of the things will be sorted for you. And once you are comfortable in that thing, then you next time you go for Angular, React, API based development, that is a later stage. But everything is step by step. So uh, to answer the original question, that here also we are looking for a shortcut. That is like that is everybody's trying to be okay. If it was so easy, what is the point of doing a BTech also? If a 6 months course can help you to get a job, there's no point of doing a BTech. You can directly tell your younger yeah, brothers and sisters, no, is no use of doing BTech. Just do BSc, whatever you want to do. Come to a course institute, do a 6 months course, you'll get a job. You don't get it, that is your fate. Then BTech and BMC doesn't matter. So that ask this question yourself: does it matter or not? Okay. So with this, I stop this video. I went uh, sometimes deviated from the original question, but I'm trying to focus on freshers because freshers doesn't have the right idea. Nobody's guiding the freshers the right way. Everybody is just selling a courses. Everybody is just hyping the things and trying to make more obviously monetary gains, but nobody is like helping them in the first instance that you do the things right way. If you the things, if you understand the problem, then you will get the solution. The problem is that you don't know the problem. What is the problem? And if you don't know what is the problem, how can you have the solution? So with this, I'll stop this video, and I hope you will get something. And thank you for watching.